Running into the not enough memory error on your PC? Don't panic. We have got an easy fix for you. In this simple and quick tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to resolve this common issue so you can get back to work without any hiccups. Watch now and say goodbye to memory problems. The error message "there is not enough memory to complete this operation" typically indicates that the computer does not have sufficient available memory RAM to perform the requested task. To fix this issue, you can try the following steps. Step 1. Close unnecessary programs. Close any unnecessary programs or application running in the background to free up memory. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up memory and resolve the issue. Step 3. Increase virtual memory. You can increase virtual memory page file to supplement your RAM. Go to your computer settings and adjust the virtual memory settings. Step 4. Check for memory leaks. Some programs may have memory leaks that cause excessive memory usage. Ensure all your software is up to date and does not have known memory leak issues. Step 5. Upgrade RAM. If you frequently encounter this error, your computer has limited RAM, consider upgrading your RAM for better performance. Step 6. Run memory diagnostics. Your computer might have a hardware issue causing the memory problem. Run a memory diagnostic test to identify and address any faulty RAM modules. Step 7. Check for malware. Malware can consume system resources. Run a full system scan to remove any potential threats. Step 8. Optimize startup programs. Disable unnecessary startup programs that may be consuming memory at boot. Step 9. Clear temporary files. Clearing temporary files can free up disk space, directly helping to improve system performance. Step 10. Monitor memory usage. Use the Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or Resource Monitor to identify memory-hungry applications and processes and close or manage them accordingly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "there is not enough memory to complete this operation" error and improve your computer's performance.